Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Tension in the Ranks quest in Heartopia. So you'll get a call from Oliver. If not, you can see your missed calls. Then talk to Rory. And then once you're done talking to Rory, you are going to talk to Jiyoon. She will be in the... Oh, actually, you need to take a picture of the whale, like the most prominent mark of the whale skull. Then you need to talk to Rory again, and then once you're done, you will need to talk to Jiyoon here. She's around the gallery in the Jellyfish Cove. Once you're done talking to Jiyoon, you will then talk to Naga, I believe. Don't know how to... I think that's just how you pronounce it. I mean, it's like an Indonesian word, which means dragon. Naga means dragon. Just give the item to him and you're set to go. You're done with the quest. That is it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.